Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome. I hope you are doing great. Today I'm so excited to show you one of my recipes. Let's get to the kitchen and let me show you how I make my delicious, healthy, nutritious fried cabbage recipe. So it's that simple and easy to make. First of all, as you all can see, you wash your saucepan so nicely. You put in your oil, a little bit of oil, any oil of your choice, and then you use any meat of your choice. In this video, I'm using gizzard and chicken. So yeah, the gizzard is already in the saucepan, and I've added some garlic granules. I'm adding my seasonings, guys. That's it. Adding my seasonings, and then I'll wait for it to fry. Yeah, the gizzard is fried, and instead of taking out the gizzard and also frying the chicken separately, I decided to do all in the same saucepan at the same time. So I didn't take out the gizzard. I've added the chicken, as you can see, because I want some fusion to take place, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. Some fusion to take place. I want the flavors in both the chicken and the gizzard to just combine. Yes, so that's what I'm doing. And whilst we are waiting for the chicken and the gizzard to cook or fry nicely, we are chopping our vegetables. So I've already chopped the main ingredients, that's the cabbage, and now we are chopping our bell peppers, the green and the red peppers. So yeah, and the next ingredient to chop is onion. This is so simple but nutritious and healthy. Yeah, let's put that aside and check on our chicken and gizzard. Yeah, it's ready. It's so ready. So let's transfer everything onto a nice plate and continue with our cooking. Yeah, so nice. Smells so good. Tastes so good. Yes. So guys, I decided to use just a little amount of oil because I don't need much oil in this recipe at all. So as you all can see, I've just got a little oil in the frying pan, and we've added our onion. We are then adding our bell peppers, and then we give it a good stir. Yeah, so yeah, we are adding our main ingredients, the cabbage. I wanted them big and chunky, that's why I have them like this. So it's all up to you the size of the cabbage that you want to have. It's all up to you guys. Again, you give it a good stir, and then yes, we add our well seasoned chicken and gizzard. Guys, can't you see this recipe is so nutritious, it's so healthy as well? Yeah, at this point there's no need to add any more seasoning because yeah, the chicken is already seasoned, the gizzard is seasoned, and definitely is going to transfer onto the vegetables. So yeah, I didn't need to add any more seasoning, but it's up to you. As I always say, it's up to you to add or not add any more seasoning. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you are inspired. I'm not adding any more salt or any more seasoning because it tastes good this way. So I love it this way, and yeah, I hope to see you all again in my next video. Especially if you are new on this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more appetizing recipes. Recommend this channel to friends and families. I'd love to have you all here. Don't forget, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Enjoy. Bye bye.